Science is really an interesting subject, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes. We are all aware of gravitational field of Earth. Because of this gravitational force, Earth is attracting each and every object towards it. And that's why all the objects has a tendency to move from a higher altitude to lower altitude. Now, can you imagine an object is rolling up from a lower altitude to higher altitude without exerting any external force? Do you think it is possible? Let us see. Now, you can see an arrangement here. To my right, I am arranged like in such a way that the altitude is low, and to my left, the altitude is higher. Shall we verify that? I am using a pen and I am keeping it on the left end, and now you can see that it is moving from the higher altitude to lower altitude. That is a general tendency. It is because of the gravitational field of Earth. Now, let us verify, is it possible that any object is able to roll up from lower altitude to higher altitude? You can see this apparatus. It is just the combination of two funnels. Now I am keeping this at the lower altitude. Now please observe, it is moving from the lower altitude to higher altitude. So we can say that it is possible that some objects will roll from lower altitude to higher altitude. Can you say why it happens? Do you know about center of mass? In physics, all the objects we are considered as, or we are assumed to consider as, a point object. It is assumed that the whole mass of the object is concentrated at a fixed point. Actually, it is not like that. It is just a hypothetical concept. And this center of mass will follow all the rules and laws. In this experiment, I will explain why it happens. Now I am keeping, as this is a symmetrical object, the center of mass will be at the center of this axis. Now if I am keeping this at this lower altitude, you can see here this axis is lying at a particular height, and the center of mass is also now at this particular height. And once it reaches the other end, it is clear that the height is reduced. That means at the lower altitude, actually the center of mass lies on a higher altitude, and this point the center of mass lies on a lower altitude. So as per the natural rule and by the gravitation of Earth, the object as a point mass will roll from this point to other one. This is the reason behind it. And there are so many applications for this concept, mainly in mechanics. While designing the vehicles or aircraft or helicopters, it is very important to fix the center of mass at a particular point so that it is able to make the performance of the vehicle very nice. And with this, it is able to accelerate smoothly the vehicle.